Hello, lovelies. So today we're going to talk about Chic Beauty Box. And I gave up on this box. And they sent me an email and was like, you can get Charlotte Tilbury and Too Faced. And I was like, oh, okay, well, I might be in. So I got this box literally to get the Charlotte Tilbury and the lip injection by Too Faced. And I don't know, something was telling me already, like, this was just not going to go as planned. Like, I'm not going to get Charlotte Tilbury and Too Faced in one box. Like, no way. So I went ahead and ordered it, and da da da. I need to learn to do like editing so I can actually do the da da da. All right. I did get the Charlotte Tilbury, which I was like stoked about because it is one of the few palettes from her that I don't have. And it is Pillow Talk Dreams. And let's go ahead and open this bad boy and see. So I'm sure you can tell just by my vibe, like I'm not happy with this box. Why? We'll see. Okay, so here is the palette. It is beautiful. I was really worried that it was going to be like old or like why are they doing Charlotte Tilbury and like Too Faced? Like there's a catch. Okay, so and a Charlotte Tilbury quad, you get a base, you get you get the things that you need for one eye look. And she doesn't name them like most other people do. Most other makeup artists or makeup connoisseurs or whatever you want to call it. Makeup people. Okay. Can you see it? Oh, of course I put it on and a weird. Okay, so that's the colors. Like they really did a lot of ads, a lot of advertising. I mean, you had some really amazing people, like people that I absolutely adore, to sell this Pillow Talk. And considering it ended up in a Chic box, I'm confused. Like, did it not do well? I mean, I know I didn't order it, even though it had Twiggy. I love Twiggy. Like, there was so many amazing models that did this campaign, and I don't know if it just didn't sell well and they made a bunch and then it ended up in a Chic beauty box. I don't know, but it's beautiful. You can tell like the colors went on perfectly. I can't wait to use it. I was gonna just go ahead and put it on, but then I wanted to like react to exactly how it looked whenever I opened it for you guys. So all right, next we have Ofra South Beach Bronzer, which I don't like. I love my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. Like, I swear to God, I got that thing like a year and a few months ago. And I still, like, it's still very much working and beautiful. So I use it every day. Every now and then I'll stray and use, there's another one that I got. Oh, and it may be from Too Faced. I think that it is. But it's in a little round, and yeah, it has like half dark and then half kind of light. Hopefully I'll see it while I'm making this video. And I'm pretty sure though that it's by Too Faced. But it's the only other bronzer that I'll use. It seems like every bronzer that I've tried to use is either just too much or too little. So that looks almost like the one, except it's creamier. This one isn't. The other one is more cream based than what this is. So, bam. That's how I should have done the palette to show you guys. Okay, so you got one really dark side and a little bit lighter side. But yeah, I'm wearing my Charlotte Tilbury right now. Like, oh, ooh, it looks crazy on camera, but like it looks good. Like, trust me. I don't have my ring light. This is just natural light. So I don't know. Like, I'm glowy for sure. But that's my skincare. And I want to talk to you guys about that in my next video. So, all right, on with the Chic box. I did not get the Too Faced. I got the Bare Minerals, and I hate this color. Like, why? I would have never picked this in a million trillion gazillion years. I don't like red. I like browns. I like nudes. Like, I like to do a brown eyeliner and either a lighter brown lipstick or just a brown lipstick. I don't like reds. Oh, and it's so red. Ugh. I'll never wear that. I'll never wear that. Oh, I'm so mad about it. So I emailed them immediately and was like, hey, I got the Too Faced lip injection. That was my choice. And they wrote me back and was like, well, you actually left that choice open. So we picked this one for you. Why would I do that? That's never happened before. So why would I do that this time? You think I wouldn't make for damn sure that I hit the lip injection? I was so excited about getting it because I've never gotten it before. I think I might have got a little teeny tiny one time, and that was it. So, all right, moving on. I got some kind, I don't know if it's an eyeliner or a lip liner. I don't even remember because all I really cared about was the Charlotte Tilbury and the Too Faced lip injection. So let's see. This looks like something that I already have. It is freaking purple. We know that I don't do, God, what is it? I'm pretty sure that it's supposed to go with the Bare Minerals, but I'm not 100%. I cannot read that. Oh, it's L'Oreal Color Riche Matte. Okay. So I do remember picking this, and there was only 2 colors to pick from. So that's more along the line of my color, but it's still way too purple. I don't know. I'm going to have to try it. Let's see what it looks like just on the skin. It looks purple. I don't like purple. On the lips? Is it a lip liner? That's the question. I've heard of L'Oreal Color Riche, but I don't know if it's supposed to be an eyeliner. Look, y'all know I tell you all the time, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm not a makeup, like, I work at a damn tool store. So there's only so much that I know about makeup. I've heard of it, but I don't know exactly if it's a liner for your eyes or a liner for your lips. It seems like it's a lip liner though. But purple, no. Okay, so next I got CoverGirl Cheekers. I'm not opening that. I'm giving that to somebody. So yeah, that's way too, again, purple. Like, that's just too much. Too much. So you get the little card, variation 1 and variation 2. Variation 1 says Charlotte Tilbury, Too Faced, then Ofra Cosmetics, Rimmel London Jelly Blush. And I know I didn't pick the Rimmel London because I already have it. Then the L'Oreal Color Riche Matte Sharpenable Lip Liner. Okay, so variation 2 is Cab Cosmetics Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette Bare Minerals Mineralist Hydra Smoothing Lipstick. And I'm not like being mean to the Bare Minerals brand. Like, that's just not my color. Ever. So, yeah. And you only could choose between the Too Faced lip injection or that color lipstick. Like, there's no way I'm going to choose that. So, Ofra Cosmetics highlighter, and I have that. So, I got the bronzer. um, CoverGirl Cheeks blush. So instead of getting the Rimmel London Jelly Blush, like, I went ahead and got the CoverGirl because I don't have it. Um, uh, like, most of the time I would try it, but no, like, I'm not going to wear that color. So L'Oreal Color Riche Matte Sharpenable Lip Liner. Like, I feel like I got the matte. Well, they're both uh, matte lip liners. I guess you would get whatever color they felt like giving you. So yeah, I'm really happy that I got the Charlotte Tilbury, but I could have just ordered from Charlotte Tilbury. So again, I reached out to customer service and was like, hey, I got the lip injection, and they argued with me. And I'm pretty sure that, because I'm always like taking screenshots and blah 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 of my orders because I get excited and then I want to share it. So usually I'll do a Facebook post or whatever. I ended up not doing it just because, like, there's been just so much going on. Thank God I feel better, but I've had a lot going on. I've recently lost my sister-in-law, and we were like sisters at one point in time. And she's had a rough way to go, but I don't want to get too deep into that because I don't want to start crying on y'all. But like, this past week has been like crazy. The past couple of weeks have been crazy. And look, like, I didn't get the post out. I wish that I would have and I still might have the screenshot that I took of the list of things that I got in my box because I was so excited about it. So I hope that I still have it as proof, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. It's not worth me coming back to Chick just because you had Charlotte Tilbury in a box. If you would have had both Charlotte and the Too Faced, I would be like, but I'm going to cancel it again unless they make it right. Now, if they make it right, okay, I might stick with them because there's only so many boxes right now that I'm sticking with. And geez, my knees, like, it's like Walmart and Macy's. Could you get any more? Yeah. All right, so that is it for the Chick box for what is it right now. December, January, February, March, April, May, June. I think that's what it is. I don't know. But again, not happy, and I'm not going to give them a glowing review because they didn't get it right. And if we pay this much money for you guys to give us just simply what we ask for, again, I got a thumbs down for you guys. Thumbs down. Sorry. All right, I'm going to shut up now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I know I need better lighting and a microphone, and I plan on doing it. I've had to focus on me, so now I'm going to focus on you guys. And I love you, and I will see you in the next. Bye.